Hallo maatjies, hallo boys and girls. Welkom by vandag se graad 1 les. Welcome to today's grade 1 Afrikaans lesson. Kan julle raai waaroor gaan ons vandag gesels? Can you guess what we're going to talk about today? Jy is 100% reg. You are 100% correct. Ons gaan vandag oor nommers gesels. We are going to talk about numbers. Kan jy die woord nommers sê? Sê gou nommers. Baie mooi maatjies. Ons gaan vandag leer hoe om tot by 10 te tel. We are going to learn how to count to 10. Is jy gereed? Are you ready? Kom ons begin. Let's begin. Hierdie is die nommer 1. This is the number 1. 1 beteken 1 in Engels. 1 means 1 in English. Kan jy die woord 1 sê? Can you say the word 1? Baie mooi maatjies, fantasties. Hierdie is die nommer 2. This is the number 2. 2 beteken 2 in Engels. 2 means 2 in English. Kan jy die nommer 2 sê? Can you say the number 2? Baie mooi maatjies, well done. Hierdie is die nommer 3. This is the number 3. 3 beteken 3 in Engels. 3 means 3 in English. Fantasties maatjies, fantastic boys and girls. Kan jy die woord sê? Can you say this word? 3. Hierdie is die nommer 4. This is the number 4. 4 beteken 4 in Engels. 4 means 4 in English. Kan jy die nommer 4 sê? Can you say the number 4? Super duper werk maatjies. Amazing work boys and girls. Hierdie is die nommer 5. This is the number 5. 5 beteken 5 in Engels. 5 means the number 5 in English. Kom ons sê die nommer saam. Let's say the number together. 5. Super duper werk maatjies. Amazing work boys and girls. Hierdie is die nommer 6. This is the number 6. 6 beteken 6 in Engels. 6 means the number 6 in English. Kom ons sê dit saam. Let's say it together. 6. Wonderlike werk maatjies. Wonderful work boys and girls. Hierdie is die nommer 7. This is the number 7. 7 beteken 7 in Engels. 7 means 7 in English. Kom ons sê dit saam. Let's say it together. 7. Baie mooi maatjies. Well done boys and girls. Hierdie is die nommer 8. This is the number 8. 8 beteken 8 in Engels. 8 means 8 in English. Kom ons sê dit saam. Let's say the number together. 8. Hierdie nommer is die nommer 9. This is the number 9. 9 beteken 9 in Engels. 9 means 9 in English. Kom ons sê die nommer saam. Let's say the number together. 9. Hierdie is die nommer 10. This is the number 10. 10 beteken 10 in Engels. 10 means 10 in English. Kom ons sê die nommer saam. Let's say the number together. 10. Amazing, maatjies. Sjoe, maatjies, julle is baie oulik. Wow, boys and girls, you are all amazing. Kom ons luister gou. Let's listen carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, maatjies, ek gaan die nommers nou stadig sê, sodat jy die woordjie na my kan sê. Okay, boys and girls, I'm now going to say each number nice and slow so that you can repeat the number after me. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Baie mooi, maatjies, fantasties. Jy het nou tot by 5 getel. Well done, boys and girls, fantastic work. You just counted to 5 in Afrikaans. Luister mooi, maatjies. Listen carefully, boys and girls. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, maatjies, ek gaan nou stadiger tel, sodat jy die nommer na my kan sê. Okay, boys and girls, I'm now going to say the numbers slowly, so that you can try and count with me. Are you ready? Is julle gereed? Kom ons gaan. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wonderlik, maatjies. Wonderful, boys and girls. Maatjies, julle was fantasties. Boys and girls, you were absolutely fantastic. Vandag het ons geleer hoe om tot by 10 te tel. Today we learned new words and we learned to count to 10 in Afrikaans. Onthou, maatjies, oefen, lees en sê julle Afrikaanse woorde. Remember, practice, read, and say all of your Afrikaans words. Onthou, hoe meer jy oefen, hoe beter word jy. The more you practice, the better you become. Is julle gereed vir die volgende les? Are you ready for the next lesson? Maatjies, herhaal gou-gou. Boys and girls, repeat after me. Ek is 'n Afrikaans ster. Say it with me, sê dit saam met my. Ek is 'n Afrikaans ster. Maatjies, onthou, boys and girls, always remember that you are Afrikaans stars. Baie dankie dat julle saam met my geleer het. Thank you for learning with me today. Hou aan leer, hou aan glimlag en onthou, Afrikaans is pret. Keep learning, keep smiling, and remember, Afrikaans is fun. Net voordat ek gaan, just before I go, wil ek vir julle 'n vraag vra. I want to ask you a quick question. Tel saam met my tot 10. Count together with me to 10. Gebruik jou vingers. Use your fingers. Is julle gereed? Are you ready? Okay, kom ons begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Baie mooi maatjies, fantastic work. Totsiens maatjies, sien julle volgende keer. Goodbye boys and girls, see you next time.